Hey guys, and welcome to another section in Linda's kitchen. So let's see what we are having today. So guys, so today we are having some okra sauce and egusi. Yeah, it's my egusi, my stockfish being soaked. I have my sliced onions. I have my fish already fried for the egusi. I have my tomato. There is my bitter leaf, my blended pepper, my garlic, my black pepper, my salt. And here are my two separate pots. One is for the okra sauce and the other one is for the egusi. I already have my meat washed and properly cut. And so now we begin. A bit of salt. Okay, this one is, and then we go for some sliced onion, a little more of onions, and of course some garlic. Okay, this one is okay, and we come to the next part, and we go in with our seasoning cube, and a bit of seasoning. And we also go in with some black pepper. And we go in with a bit of salt. And also some chopped onions. A little more, and a bit of garlic as well. And then we get some water. Okay, so we come in with a little bit of water here to have it steam. Also come in with some water here as well, a little bit or so. Then we have it covered, and now it's time to get our stuff on. And now it's time to begin the action. So this one is for this one, and that's for that pot. Okay. Let's give it some minutes and then we go to check what's going on in. Now I'm going in with some black pepper. stockfish. So now it's time to go in with my water, more water to have the meat properly cooked. So let's check in, guys. Wow, do you see that in the other food? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, just continue like tomato paste. So now it's about time to go in with our egusi rice.
Found me, yeah, you found me. I was afraid to restart, but you made me see, yeah, you made me see. What do I do when all I think about is you? I guess it's the sun will be alright. What do I say if you tell me you don't feel the same? You're in my heart, you're tearing me apart inside. I'm made up of I was broken hearted, but you found me. Yeah, you found me. I was afraid to restart, but you made me see. Yeah, you made